Hari Om to all of you. If you can hear me, you can smile.
Reaction button. Hit the reaction button.
Thumbs up. Fantastic. How are you? All of you are fine and fantastic.
We can put that reaction button.
I never thought we will have an Aarti this way in CIRS. I don't know whether to thank coronavirus or not for this. But it is so beautiful to see all of you once again. So wonderful to have all of you. And first, we should thank Mridula and Ashwini for initiating this. I had called her for something else, and that time she brought in the idea that let us have an Aarti, Swamiji. We are all waiting for it. And so first, thank you to Ashwini and to Mridula for initiating this, and all of you for coming and being part of this Aarti. Let me see how many people who are already signing in. Till now, we have 70 people who have already been admitted. We have a restriction, I think, of 100 people. I don't know. So it'll be great to have so many of you. And in case we are not able to admit some of you, we are very sorry for that. So, who's here from 2000? Anybody from 2010 batch? So let us begin with Om. We have a beautiful order for Aarti. So let us begin with Om. We have Ramesh sir here. We have Rajeshri Didi here. And for those who do not know, Brahmachari Sanatanji. This is Brahmachari Sanatanji. And he's been part of CIRS. He's been part of CIRS for the last 3 years. He's been here. And he is a popular bhaiya right now in CIRS. Okay? And for those of you who had met me earlier, I'm still your bhaiya. Right? So let's begin with Om and Ramesh sir.
सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्म विद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्म विद्वरम्।
Yes. I think all of you can still hear me. Can you show your thumbs up if you can hear me? Thank you so much. That is really, really wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. So let us now sing. We just thought of an order of bhajan that we can sing. We have chosen the favorites for you. So first, we will start with our Matrastavanam, which all of us have always liked, all of us have always loved. So let us now sing the Matrastavanam. We'll have Ramesh sir himself singing the Matrastavanam. Is Sri Nisha here? We had planned for Sri Nisha to sing, but we're not able to see Sri Nisha. S-R-I. S-R-I. N-I-S-H-A. Okay, so let's sing.
मातुराशिषा वन्दिता भुवि सन्ति हीनरो नन्दिता दिवि धारितोऽस्म्यहं सोदरे त्वया पालितोऽस्म्यहं स्वस्तने त्वया शिशुरहं सदा केलिनं पटः न श्रुतं मया ते तदा वच शिक्षणे मम न च कदा रुचि सा त्वया कृता वर्धिता मति बालवर्तनं कष्टदायकं मन्यसे तुत हर्षकारणम् रोगपीडितो यत्कदाप्यहं सेवसे तदा मामहर्निशं विस्मराम्यहं ते कथं कृतं मत्कृते सदा प्रेम संयुतं पश्यसि गुणं सर्वदा मम अवगुणं तु मे नीक्षसे कथं यमुदारता त्वयि च वर्तते इतरत्र सा जगति दृश्यते दुर्लभा नहि बान्धवा भुवि जननि दुर्लभा त्वत्समायि मातृदेवो य भवश्रुतिष्ठत भवित्यादरा भाववेद्यहम् मातरि नरो देवमीक्षते सर्वतोपितं स हि निरीक्षते धमयार्चनं वन्दनं कृतं तव च कीर्तनं पादसेवनं जननि तेऽप्यहं सर्वदारिणी भक्तिरस्तु मे निश्चला त्वयि अम्ब त्वामहं प्रणतवान् सदा आशिषश्च त्वं देहि मे मुदा अम्ब त्वामहं प्रणतवान् सदा आशिषश्च त्वं देहि मे मुदा आशिषश्च त्वं देहि मे मुदा आशिषश्च त्वं देहि मे मुदा.
When all of you were at CIRS, you all missed your parents. And you used to wait for Saturdays and Sundays to call them up and speak to them. And I know this coronavirus has brought all of you so close to your parents that you cannot miss them. This is our opportunity to thank them for all that they're doing, all that they're making for all of us to make us so comfortable. So after this Aarti, just go up to them and just say thank you for all that they're doing for all of us. So now we're going to have the Nightingale of Ciaris to sing beautiful bhajan for all of us. So now we have our own Kavya Kumar from Bombay singing a favorite bhajan for all of us. Kavya, over
Hari Om Swamiji.
Hari Om Kavya.
Hari Om Didi, Hari Om Bhaiya, Hari Om Sir.
Hari Om, Hari Om.
I hope I'm audible because the connection is unstable. So
We can hear you very clearly. Your voice is distinct and extremely recognizable.
okay, so I'll start.
Yes.
ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं हमरे उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं तुम्हें हमका हो संभाले तुम्हें हमरे रखवाले तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं तुम्हारे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं चंदा में तुम्हें तो भरे हो चांदनी सूरज में उजाला तुम्ही से तुम्हें तो दिए हुए सितारे भगवन ये जीवन तुम्हें ना सवारोगे तो क्या कोई सवारे ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं जो सुनो तो कहे प्रभु जी हमारी है विनती दुखी जन को धीरज दो हारे नहीं वो कभी दुख से तुम निर्बल को रक्षा दो रह पाए निर्बल सुख से भक्ति को शक्ति दो भक्ति को शक्ति दो जग के जो स्वामी हो इतनी तो अर्ज सुनो हर पथ में अंधियारे दे दो वरदान में उजियारे ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं थैंक यू
Was so beautiful, Kavya. I think you should come back to school so we can enjoy your aartis once again. Thank you so much. And now next, we have someone else who studied many years before all of you, but yet who's been all the time so connected with all of us, and that is our Simarna. An excellent dancer, a wonderful singer, right? And very recently also, she came to see Iris, met all of us, and we had such a wonderful time. Simarna does amazing work of online strategy for product promotion and so many things. She's working on influencing minds. She's doing a beautiful job. And let's have Simarna now sing us beautiful bhajan for all of us.
Thank you so much, Swamiji, for that introduction. That was so sweet of you. Hi, everyone. It is overwhelming to see 98 participants. And Hari Om, Sir, Hari Om Didi, Hari Om Bhaiya, Hari Om all of you. So yes, I'm going to sing the bhajan for you. Gurudev Tava Mahaniya Kripa, Gurudev Tava Mahaniya Kripa, मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है, बस एक यही मेरा भल है, गुरुदेव तवा महनीय कृपा, गुरुदेव तवा महनीय कृपा। अज्ञान भरे संशय से भरे विपरीत विचारों से भी भरे, अज्ञान भरे संशय से भरे विपरीत विचारों से भी भरे, मन के अंधकार को दूर करे वचनामृत से तव बोध कृपा, गुरुदेव तवा महनीय कृपा। पल पल पग पग जीवन पथ पर गुरु साथ मेरे रक्षक बनकर, पल पल पग पग जीवन पथ पर गुरु साथ मेरे रक्षक बनकर, विसरो न कभी यह प्रेममयी आनंदमयी भवदीय कृपा, गुरुदेव तवा महनीय कृपा, मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है, बस एक यही मेरा बल है, गुरुदेव तवा महनीय कृपा, गुरुदेव तवा महनीय कृपा। Thank you so much.
Very nice.
Maharaj.
बोलिए श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
Jai. Thank you, Simarna. You know, when I'm looking at all of you, so many memories are coming to me. There is Vinayak sitting there. And I used to ask Vinayak to come to my room almost every day. So he would sing a Carnatic classical for me. And moreover, it is with this group, Vinayak and Simarna and all of them, that we started our nonsense skits on Diwali days. The funny skits that we started. I can tell you a long history of that, but now the Aarti time, so we won't go into that. So now we have the third person, who else but our own Ashwini. One of the most melodious singers, one of the most wonderful voices that touches our heart. Let us have our own Ashwini Atreya singing for us the next bhajan.
Hariom Swamiji. Hariom Bhaiya.
Hi.
Didi, Hariom
Oh,
Swamiji.
Ashwini.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, but not visible.
Swamiji, that's okay.
Yes, now we can see you. Yes. By the way, we have 100 participants, and there are some who are still waiting in the waiting room, but we're not able to admit them this time. Maybe next time we will have more people joining us. So let's have Ashwini sing. Ashwini was a junior cultural secretary in class 9. She was the Vyasa House captain. In class 11, a very nice organizer, wonderful person. So let's have Ashwini singing.
चैतन्यमय चिन्मय गुरुदेव आनन्दमय चैतन्यमय चिन्मय गुरुदेव ओंकारमय हृङ्कारमय ओंकारमय हृङ्कारमय सत्कारमय गुरुदेव सत्कारमय गुरुदेव आनन्दमय चैतन्यमय चिन्मय गुरुदेव वेदान्तमय सिद्धान्तमय वेदान्तमय सिद्धान्तमय शुद्धान्तमय गुरुदेव शुद्धान्तमय गुरुदेव आनन्दमय चैतन्यमय चिन्मय गुरुदेव कल्याणमय कारुण्यमय कल्याणमय कारुण्यमय करुणामय गुरुदेव करुणामय गुरुदेव ब्रह्ममय गुरुदेव शिवमय गुरुदेव कृष्णमय गुरुदेव तपोमय गुरुदेव चिन्मय गुरुदेव आनन्दमय चैतन्यमय चिन्मय गुरुदेव आनन्दमय चैतन्यमय चिन्मय गुरुदेव चिन्मय गुरुदेव चिन्मय गुरुदेव
So nice. So beautiful. Thank you, Ashwini. Just to make all of you jealous, and also to update you on the things of CIRS. You know where we are sitting in CIRS, right? The Krishna Arati Hall, right? The Rama Arati Hall and Krishna Arati Hall, we put air conditioners there, right? I remember the days when all of you used to sit and sweat in the summers in this place. So now we use air conditioners and everybody sits in nice cool weather of the air conditioner and then they enjoy it. So that's the latest development. Okay, that's beautiful. Now for the next bhajan. And the next bhajan is Hey Ram. And many of you would remember the moment we say Hey Ram, we remember the person who used to sing it all the time, and that is Anish Sardana, right? So let's have our Anish singing for us his own Hey Ram.
Thank you, Swamiji, for the wonderful introduction. And I hope everyone enjoys the coming bhajan. Hey Ram, Hey Ram, Hey Ram, Hey Ram. तू ही माता, तू ही पिता है, तू ही माता, तू ही पिता है, तू ही तो है राधा का श्याम. हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम. तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी, तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी. तेरे चरणों में चारों धाम. हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम. तू ही बिगाड़े, तू ही सवारे, तू ही बिगाड़े, तू ही सवारे इस जग के सारे काम. हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम. तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता, तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता, तू ही जगदाता विश्व विधाता. तू ही सुबह, तू ही शाम. हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम, हे राम. Thank you, everyone.
श्यावर रामचंद्र की जय.
Very nice, Anish. Thank you so much. And now it's a little story time, right? And who else than our own Rajeshri Didi to narrate to us a beautiful story. Okay, so over to Rajeshri Didi.
Hari Om, all of you. Actually, my heart is overwhelmed seeing all your smiling faces and all of you right in front of me. Lot of memories, lot of thoughts going in. And it's such a delight, it's such a joy to be here. And from my heart, I want to take this beautiful opportunity first to express my gratitude to Ashwini and Rudula for organizing this and giving up or coming up with this beautiful thought, and our Swami Anukulananda ji to make it happen. Okay, so that is why we all are here. I had some other thought in my mind before I entered this place for to share a story. But after listening to these melodious bhajan, I decided to change my thoughts. Now, we all are here definitely because of, let's say, the beautiful efforts by Ashwini and Bhaiya. But at the same time, I want to say that we all are connected and we all are here because of our Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda ji. He was a master who brought all of us together. If not him, we would have been there, but at different places, unconnected, disconnected. It's he who brought all of us together in this one beautiful string as one wonderful garland. So today I want to share something when it comes to Gurudev, my views, my thoughts, and Gurudev with this beautiful school. You all know it. Today in this first Aarti, I just want to recap those wonderful things of Gurudev for this school. You all are aware that after choosing 4-5 areas and places, Gurudev selected this Coimbatore called as Siddhabari of South for our Chinmaya International School. And that is how this school came into picture. But the beauty is when the thought was there in Gurudev's mind, the vision was there in Gurudev's mind for long, but it was not there. It's there in his vision, but to manifest, it was our dear Guruji, Swami Tejomayananda ji, who brought this school as a life for all of us in 1996. Gurudev attained Mahasamadhi in 1993. Within 3 years of time, this school came into picture. And dear children, the most touching moment for me is the day of inauguration. The school, 6/6/1996, the day when the school got inaugurated, there was Swami Chidananda ji from Divine Life Society who came to inaugurate this school. And Swami Chidananda ji, when he came, he traveled by train. And those times we used to have those little tickets, not like e-copy, how we make it. And Swami Chidananda ji came with his ticket. And in his inaugural speech, he said something so beautiful. He said, today, the inauguration of CIRS is not by Chidananda. It is by Chinmayananda. And everyone were like taken back. What is he trying to say? And then he showed his ticket. And he says, if you see this ticket, by mistake, the name, rather than getting Chidananda, it's printed as Chinmayananda. So today, Gurudev has come to inaugurate this wonderful, beautiful school. And this is how 1996, this school came into existence. And being in CIRS, I should tell you, every moment, you might have experienced some miracle, but we experience every moment in this very place. Sometimes the play of weather, where we see Gurudev playing. Sometimes we see with the animals entering, whether it's elephants who have entered, right near the dining hall or near breaking our fence, entered inside. So many things. We have snakes inside, we have scorpions inside, we have elephant. We are just next to the jungle and so many things inside. But our children have been always protected and always secured. Nothing has happened to any one of us who are in this place. We see that blessing, that miracle which Gurudev is playing on all of us, blessing us at all times. The most beautiful incident which I want to share is our last Anand Utsav. Many of you weren't there, so I want to share that. Last Anand Utsav, it was heavily raining. And just before Anand Utsav, I'm talking about few days before Anand Utsav, heavy rain. And you know how we fix a pandal just opposite to our academic block. And that was the area for the pandal. And the whole area was fully into water. And to pitch up tent, we couldn't think of how the rods or anything can stay there. We were really a little upset and we were thinking what to do. But back of our heart, we knew he is there. But still, we had to do our part. And I remember we told all children to call back home and ask the parents to get their umbrella and all those things. Children got a calling. They called that Anand Utsav, it's raining here. Please get your umbrella. This all information was given. And just about 3 or 4 days before Anand Utsav, the whole place, we removed the wet soil from there and we filled trucks and trucks or lorries of sand. And just 3 days before Anand Utsav, wonders happened. And that's what he does at every moment. Bright sun, scorching sun, I can say. And then the entire area started getting dried. There was no rain, absolutely not a single drop. And this miracle was not experienced by only staff. 580 children experienced this. There are few children who actually told us when we said, what was the best part of Anand Utsav? They said Gurudev's blessings, the miracle which we saw, which Gurudev did. They said that, they felt that. And then you will see Anand Utsav went so beautifully. And the parents started asking, our children called and said, they said to get the umbrella, we all are carrying, but there's no rain here. We said, that's how it is. And that's what CRS is. They all left, and when the entire school was empty, it slightly started again drizzling, and then the thing continued. That's what happens with His grace and with His blessing. Dearest children, wherever you are, whatever you are doing, keep Him in your heart. If you came or you got the admission in CRS, you are blessed for life by that great master. So recognize that blessing. Let your life and your family, everyone's life, be filled with Gurudev's grace and blessings. It is His school. Remember always, and do your best for yourself, for Him, for this school. Thank you, all of you. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you, all of you. Love you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajeshwari Didi, for reminding us of all that we directly saw in CIRS. That was so beautiful. And now we're going to conclude with Gurudev's Aarti. Swamiji, so soon. Yes, it's 8 o'clock. We're going to conclude. But before that, I also have to introduce you to our technical team here, who's making all of this possible. You know, there's a camera here and so many wonderful things. So let's call both of them here. We have our Mr. Arun and Mr. Anush, right? Please come to the front. Please come to the front. This is in yellow t-shirt. This is Anush. And in the black t-shirt, we have Arun. For those who do not know, now we have a complete audio studio set up in our school. So all the plays that we do, many of you would have come with me to the city, to that dungy little studio, and 70, 80 of us would have sat there upon one another and tried to record voices, right? Eating tomato rice, sitting on those steps. But now we have our own audio studio, which is managed so beautifully by a professional, and his name is Arun. Not just that, you know, in Chinmaya Mission right now, the present head, Swami Swarupananji, he is giving talks, right? Every day he's giving talks from 5 to 5:30 in the evening on Bhajagovindam. And every day we have almost 2,000 people listening to his talks from all over the world. On Saturdays, he's telling stories to children. And we have almost 5,000 children and people who are listening to his stories. And right now from 7:30, every day we have Pujya Guruji talking on the Kathopanishad, where we have thousands of people again attending it. And you know what? Mr. Arun, who's sitting here, he is coordinating the broadcast of the entire thing, and all over the world this is going. And I'm so happy that CRS and Arun are able to contribute so beautifully to the entire work that is happening. So any of you who have time, you know, Swami Swarupananji is a fantastic speaker. Swami Guruji is an amazing teacher. If you have time, please do go ahead. 5 o'clock in the evening is Bhajagovindam. 7:30 is Kathopanishad by Pujya Guruji. Apart from that, on television, on DD, we have our own production called Upanishad Ganga, which is happening. So that happens from 6:30. 6 o'clock on DD on DD1. We have that at 6 o'clock. DD Bharati. DD Bharati it is called. And how many of you are watching Ramayana? Excellent. We have some of you who are watching Ramayana and Mahabharat. Is Mahabharat?
Yes.
Mahabharat is also going on, right? I remember our 8th standard when we used to learn Mahabharat. Right. So beautiful. So thank you, Arun. Thank you, Anush, for organizing this for us. And now let us close with Gurudev's Aarati. And we'll have Ramesh sir singing the Aarati. Before that, today is Chinmay Kabra's birthday. Is Chinmay Kabra here? I don't know whether he is here. We couldn't, no, he's not. He doesn't seem to be here, but we wish him happy birthday. It seems today is also Emma Watson's birthday. Right. Not just that, it is also another scientist's birthday today. But this is all we remember. Anyway, we'll pray for all of them and we'll pray for their wonderful life. And again, thank you to Ashwini and Mridula for organizing this for all of us. So let us have Gurudev's Aarati.
Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की दिव्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की आरती सद्गुरु की चरणों में उनके शांति समाए शरणागत की भ्रांति मिटाए पाप ताप संताप हरण की आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की आरती सद्गुरु की वेद उपनिषद गीता को गाया धर्म सनातन फिर से जगाया शुद्ध नीति प्रीति शंकर की आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की आरती सद्गुरु की सिद्ध बाड़ी की तपोभूमि में नित्य विराजे गुरु हमारे भक्त हृदय आनंद श्रोत की आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की आरती सद्गुरु की आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की दिव्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की आरती सद्गुरु की बोलिए श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
Fine. So, our technical team, they're advertising for the Chinmaya channel and CIRS channel on YouTube. And when you subscribe for it, click it, like it, all that you do. There is a bell icon there. Click it. And now this year we're going to come live with all our programs. It's going to be telecasted live on our CRS channel. In fact, the next program that's going to come up is our TED CRS program, which is going to be on July 25th. That is the date that has been fixed. But I'm sure many more programs are going to come before that. So all of you can click, like, share, subscribe, and send nice comments also. That will be wonderful. So let's close with a minute of prayer. And this is the best time for all of us together from our own places to pray for everybody, especially who are affected by the coronavirus. And second, for the people who are fighting against this coronavirus, all the doctors, all the public health people, our government officials who are working day and night, the people of the corporation who are trying to keep the place clean and sanitized. Everybody, let us pray for them, and let us pray for the whole world that it gets healthy and beautiful once again. May all blessings of Gurudev and Bhagavan be with all of us. And once again, I thank all of you for being part of our Aarti. Do we want an Aarti again like this? Yes, I can see a lot of you nodding your heads. That's really wonderful. So shall we have this once a week? Yeah, wonderful. So we'll have it once a week on Thursday from 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Okay. Right. Okay. So then we'll also have newer set of singers. We'll contact you. You can contact us as well. And we'll have a beautiful, beautiful Aarti coming Thursday, 7:30 to 8 o'clock. And then we'll try to see how we can expand the number of people who can watch it. Now we had only 100, so some of them had to wait. We're very sorry for that. But next time we'll have more people attending. Thank you. Let's close with a Shanti Path.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ बोलो राधे 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 राधे